Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ken Hutami Putri Hedadi. I'm from TBIC. I want to read the article about how to solve eating difficulty in children. Eating difficulty is an issue that is so fundamental and often cases for children. Sometimes, when a child is so difficult to childhood, food. It will make us frustrated. Usually, parents will try a variety of ways, like providing herbal appetite and changes and making a child favorite food every day to overcome eating difficulties in children. Here are types that you can to overcome eating difficulties in children. Serve meals with a small portion. Maybe the kinds do not like the size of the food portions. Many children had saying a big portion of food. So try to prepare a small portion for children so they can eat fast and do not get bored when eating. Get together with family. You can try to ask your children to eat together with the family. It will create an atmosphere or togetherness and a fun environment for the children. So will increase their appetite slowly. Variety of food and nice appearance. Perhaps children need a variety of food that help to incur their appetite to eat. For example, you could give spinach on the first day, carrot on the second day, and chicken based dish on the next day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.